Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss here the Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius gives a relation between the rate constant and temperature. Arrhenius gives a relation between rate constant and temperature on the basis of observation from the various experiments. Arrhenius gives a relation. It gives a relation between rate constant and temperature from the observation of different experiment. This equation is a K is equal to R, K is equal to A into e raised to power minus EA by RT. The Arrhenius equation is that K is equal to A e raised to power minus EA by RT, where K is a rate constant, A is a pre-exponential factor, EA is a activation energy, and R is a gas constant whose value is equal to 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole, and T is the temperature in Kelvin. Arrhenius gives a relation between the rate constant and temperature. Arrhenius gives a relation between rate constant and temperature. This is the Arrhenius equation. K is equal to A e raised to power minus EA by RT. K is the rate constant, A is the pre-exponential factor, EA is the activation energy, R is the gas constant, and T is the temperature in Kelvin. Now apply a log to above equation, then log or ln of K is equal to ln of A minus EA by RT. We know that log e raised to power A is always equal to the A log E. This is the formula of log. Log e raised to power A is always equal to the A log E. Therefore, this term comes in a front, and log E is equal to 1. Ln of E is equal to 1. Therefore, the above equation becomes ln of K is equal to ln of A minus EA by RT. Converting this log into common log. Convert into common log. That means multiplying the above equation into 2.303. 2.303 log to the base 10 K. 2.303 log to the base 10 A minus EA by RT. Dividing by the 2.303, then above equation becomes log to the base 10K is equal to log to the base 10A minus EA divided by 2.303 RT. If the value of EA is increases, if the activation energy value increases, if the value of activation energy increases, then the value of rate constant K decreases. Why? Because EA is increases. Therefore, from the above equation, it is clear that the value of K is decreases. When the value of rate constant decreases, rate of reaction is also decreases. If the value of activation energy increases, then the value of K is also decreases. E increases, K decreases. Therefore, the rate of reaction is also decreases. Now, we have to find out here the evaluation of activation energy. Evaluation of activation energy. Now, here we evaluate the activation energy by graphical method. Here we have to find out the calculation of activation energy by graphical method. Graphical method. If we plot a graph between log K versus time, temperature. If we plot a graph between log K versus time and versus 1 by time. If we plot a graph between the log K versus 1 by t, then graph obtained is a straight line with a negative slope, which is equal to the minus EA divided by 2.303 R. Activation from the Arrhenius equation, activation energy is evaluated from this Arrhenius equation. Activation energy is evaluated by using graphical method. If we plot a graph between the log K versus 1 by t, then graph obtained is a straight line with a negative slope. If we know the value of slope, that means the slope, if we know the value of slope, then activation energy can be evaluated minus slope into 2.303 R. That means in order to calculate the activation energy, we must know the value of a slope as well as gas constant. This value is equal to 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. It is a constant value. If we know the value of slope, we can calculate the value of activation energy. So, alternatively, the value of EA can also be calculated when the rate constant is measured at two different temperature. If the rate constant is measured at two different temperature, from this observation we can also calculate the value of activation energy. Let K1, or suppose K1 be the rate constant at temperature T1 and K2 be the rate constant at temperature T2. Then according to the Arrhenius equation, log K1 is equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 R T1. Log K2 is equal to log A minus EA divided by 2.303 R T2. If the rate constant is measured at two different temperature, then suppose K1 is the rate constant at temperature T1 and K2 is the rate constant at temperature T2, then Arrhenius equation becomes as log K1 is equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT1. Log K2 is equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT2. This equation is number 1. This is the second equation. Subtract equation 1 or equation 2 minus equation 1 implies then log K2 minus log K1 is equal to EA divided by 2.303 R in bracket 1 by T2 1 by T1 minus 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Log A cancel, log K2 minus log K1, log A minus log A cancel, minus EA by 2.303 R2 minus up minus, that means plus EA by 2.303 R. EA by 2.303 R is taken as a common and in bracket 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. According to the formula of log K2 divided by K1, log K2 minus K1 is always equal to the log K2 by K1. EA divided by 2.303 R in bracket T2 minus T1 divided by T1 into T2. Now let us see how, if the temperature is changes by 10 degrees centigrade, then what is the change in the rate constant? We have to calculate here. If the temperature is increases by 10 degrees centigrade, suppose temperature rises from 300 to 310 Kelvin, 300 to 310 Kelvin, then what is the change? Change in rate constant is equal to question mark. From this equation we have to observe here, if the temperature is changes from 300 Kelvin to 310 Kelvin, then what is the change in a rate constant? Then log, generally we know the value of activation energy is 55 kilojoule, that is 55,000 joule. This is the activation energy. We know that value of R is equal to the 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. If we put both these value, log K2 divided by K1 is equal to 55,000 divided by 2.303 into 8.314. Here we write a temperature T2 310 minus 300 divided by 300 into 310. Then above value will becomes as a 0.30887. Log K2 divided by K1 is equal to 0.30887. Now take antilog. K2 by K1 is equal to antilog of 0.30887. Then it gives the value of 2.03, that is which is approximately equal to 2.0. K2 divided by K1 is equal to 2.0, that is K2 is equal to 2.0 into K1. Here from this evaluation, from this equation, we say that if the temperature is increases by 10 degree centigrade or 10 degree Kelvin, then the rate constant is increases 2 times. That means rate constant become double when the temperature is increases by 10 degree. तो मुझे लगता है आपको ये इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री का जो टॉपिक है एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी, ये आपको समझ में आ गया होगा। उसके हमने एक्सप्रेशन देखे, एक्सप्रेशन बताए एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी, हाउ यू कैन इवेल्युएट, और उसकी ग्राफिकल मेथड एज वेल एज ये सेकंड मेथड कि अगर हम रेट कांस्टेंट दो डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर पे लेते हैं तो रेट क्या, और टेम्परेचर जब बढ़ाते हैं तो रेट कांस्टेंट में क्या डिफरेंस गिरता है, ये हमने देखा। आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा। तो ओके, थैंक यू।